Hello everybody, welcome to InstaFollowers.co YouTube channel. Today we will talk about why you should consider buying Facebook Live viewers. As you can imagine, Facebook is still relevant and is going strong, so make sure that you take a look at our recent price tags over here, which are mostly in discount. For example, for 250 views, we only charge just about $17, and that is a great price. So make sure that you hurry up and do not miss out on these special offers that we have for you. After you do that, scroll just a bit down and take a look over here. All you need to do in order to buy live views for Facebook is to click on the first box and enter your live stream video link. After you do that, click on the next box and enter your live video views quantity, so the amount that you want to buy. After you complete these two processes, the next step and the last step would be either to click on Add to Cart or click on Buy Now. As the name suggests, if you click on Add to Cart, it adds to your cart and you can continue shopping, or you can finish the process and initiate your deliveries by clicking on Buy Now. If you have other questions in mind, make sure that you ask it to our live support center, which is available 24/7. Also, we would like to make sure that you understand that no password is required, which makes it a very safe payment and process. Speaking of safety, our payment methods are very secure, and we do provide a refund guarantee as well. So these are all you need to know in order to buy Facebook Live viewers. So thank you for watching, and make sure that you subscribe. We interrupt this video for a very important yet very brief introduction for our website instafollowers.co. You can buy Instagram followers with instant delivery in 2020. But before we tell you how, let us talk about our features and options. You can buy Instagram likes, followers, views, comments, and reels on instafollowers.co. You can also buy backlinks from quality websites. We also provide services from TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and SoundCloud, and many more. You may have several questions in mind, like why are Instagram followers important? Because buying Instagram followers helps your account get more visibility, since Instagram has more than 1 billion users around the world, and it is one of the most popular social media platforms. There is no doubt that it is a highly preferred platform nowadays because it offers a very user-friendly interface. Although it was seen as a copy of the famous Snapchat back in the day, Instagram developed itself very quickly. It offered so many features that people can't even stay away from using. In addition, Instagram came up with so many creative features that even caught Facebook's interest. You may have further questions like key reasons to buy Instagram followers. When we started using social media in its early times, it was purely for entertainment. Yet, social media is not just about that anymore. Today we can see many brands, companies, and other organizations using social media for profit purposes. Since Instagram became a popular platform, we can see various types of uses of it, either for entertainment or for business purposes. And if your purpose is to make money on Instagram, you don't have to have a business profile at all. You can be an influencer with your personal profile as well. Since Instagram offers short content such as content videos, influencing on Instagram is not difficult. In fact, it is fun. Benefits of buying Instagram followers. There are many benefits of buying Instagram followers. Buying followers will save you time and grow your account. You may desire to do it in an organic way. However, it is not always possible. Let's say you have opened a souvenir shop and you want to promote it. Instagram is a perfect way to do so. However, you have made a lot of investment for that store and you want to start making money as soon as possible. If you try to gain followers organically, you will need to spend time on it between all your work. That is why buying Instagram followers will help you, but how? We have three main important things that we keep in mind, like visibility, trust, and organic followers. Let's talk about visibility first. Purchasing Instagram followers will rapidly increase your visibility on the app. What does visibility mean on Instagram, you may ask? It is having the chance to show your content to more people. Trust. When you buy Instagram followers, you are not just increasing the number of followers you have, you also gain the trust of people who visit your profile. Purchasing is very simple. All you need to do is click the Buy Instagram Followers page, enter your username in the sections, choose the quantity of followers you want, click the Buy Now, Add to Cart button, click the Payment button, select the payment methods that are 100% secure, and done. That's all you need to know. Now we can continue with our video. Thank you for listening. Enjoy.